Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great and enjoying their lives. So this is one of the most requested video which I'm creating right now. So make sure that you're watching till the end. And also if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, tip number one, whatever the notes you have created till now, go through it once. Not once, twice also, because whatever the questions are asked mainly in college, they are mainly based on notes only. So make sure that you are going through the notes very properly and understanding whatever you have written. Okay, so that's very important. Second tip, that don't write, bookish language answers in your answer sheet, and you are just learning it and writing it. Don't do all these things because they won't give you marks. Just understand the notes properly and then write in your own words. That would be more beneficial, and the teacher will understand that you have learned, that you have understood something, and you're also writing by yourself. So make sure that you are writing by yourself, creating your own answers, nicely, and covering all the things whatever in the question has asked. So guys, third tip, write your answers in points, and if possible highlight the keywords, because in college mainly teachers read the key points, and if that are correct, then you will get, of course, you will get the marks. And also try to write 2 to 3 pages, not to 2 to 3, like 1.5 till 2 pages, because sometimes it happens like if you are writing so much, so they also give marks. They understand that you know very much and you have studied properly, so they give marks. So make sure that you are making points and also highlighting the points, and then writing answers, lengthy answers. That would be beneficial. Last tip guys, that even if you don't know the answer, even if you have not studied anything, don't worry, but write something in your answer sheet. Make it attractive, write in points, and whatever write something, because it will give you marks only. So don't leave it like you don't know and you leave the answer sheet like this only, or whole blank. Don't do this. So write something. That is one of the most important tip which I want to give, because most of the students they don't write it, and they only write whatever they know. So make sure that you're writing everything. Even if you don't know, write it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you have get some important information from this video, and please subscribe it, like it, share it, and comment on my video. And also whatever, like on what topics you want me to make videos, please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, thank you so much guys. See you soon on my next video.